And the fifth question of your NCERT example is an electron, alpha particle and a proton have the same kinetic energy. Okay, so kinetic energy is same. So kinetic energy of electron, kinetic energy of photon, kinetic energy of alpha particle. So these three are same, it's given. Which of these particle has the shortest wavelength? Okay, shortest wavelength. So first I should find out the kinetic energy is same they have given, so I should find out the mass first. And what is relation with mass and wavelength? So first we know that lambda is equal to h by p, keep it aside. Now the kinetic energy, what is the formula for kinetic energy? Will be half mv square, half mv square. Okay, so just multiply mv. Okay, so mv divided by v divided by v, or you can multiply with m also. So m square v square by 2m. What did I do? So just multiplying dividing by 2. Hence I can bring it in terms of p square. So which is written as p square by 2m. Hence p will be equal to square root of 2m kinetic energy, that is Ek. Okay, I can write it as Ek. Kinetic energy I have written as Ek. Okay, P I got it as square root of 2m Ek. Now that P you substitute here. So lambda you will get h divided by P as square root of 2m Ek. Ek is nothing but the kinetic energy. Ek is nothing but the kinetic energy. Okay. Now you can see here the mass and the wavelength are inversely proportional. Wavelength is square root of mass. Okay, now I should compare the masses of these particles as proton is more massive than electron. Proton is more massive than electron. So if it is more massive means wavelength will be least, because they are inversely proportional, square root. Okay, so proton is more massive than electron, but alpha particle is 4 times that of protons. Okay, for alpha particles are 4 times than that of proton. Hence alpha particles will be the least wavelength. Okay, alpha particles has the shortest wavelength, de Broglie wavelength. Okay, so if you are comparing the wavelength of alpha particle is least than the wavelength of proton than the wavelength of electron. This is the answer. Okay, we are supposed to compare the mass with wavelength. Protons are more massive than electron, but alpha particles are 4 times than that of proton. Okay, this is massive, more massive, less wavelength. Okay, so I have arranged according to that wavelength.